What is going on, guys? Welcome to Tech Gadgets in Action, the channel dedicated to bringing you all things tech, everything from quick looks and unboxings to setups and reviews. Today, we'll be taking a look at these very popular smart plugs from Wyze. Now, Wyze has made quite a name for themselves by offering quality products at a very affordable price, and these smart plugs are no different. This 2-pack of smart plugs is available for $14.99 directly from their website. We are also doing a 500 subscriber giveaway for these smart plugs. We will be giving away this set you see here to one lucky subscriber. To enter, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel and leave a comment down below. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see how you can gain an additional entry. With that said, let's begin. Alright guys, so I pre-ordered these plugs a while back and they came in the mail a few weeks ago. Let's go ahead, open up the box and see what we have inside. For those that pre-ordered, they included a sticker saying I backed Wyze Plug. Underneath we have a quick start guide which shows you the basics and the setup process. And finally, here we have the plugs themselves, neatly packaged and wrapped in plastic film. Let's go ahead and remove the plastic film and have a closer look. Here on the top right we have a status light, and on the side we have a physical button which allows us to control the plug without the need of the app or a voice assistant. On the back you have a QR code as well as some technical data. So let's go ahead and get this thing set up. Having a look at the quick start guide, it directs us to download the app, insert the plugs to an outlet, and the status light should blink. If it does not, it tells us to press and hold the button until it does. Lastly, to open up the app and follow the instructions there. Let's go ahead and set it up. As soon as we plug it in, we can see the status light immediately starts to blink. Let's go ahead and focus our attention towards the app. We need to start by tapping the 3 dots on the top right, then selecting Add a Product. Now here on the list we can see an option to add Wyze Plug. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz network and enter your credentials. Once you have done so, the next step is to go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connecting your phone to the access point coming from the plug, then returning back to the Wyze app. One thing to note, if you are using iOS 13, you need to have the location services enabled for Wyze, otherwise it will not proceed any further when you return to the Wyze app. I struggled with this for quite a while before finally finding the solution. Shortly after, you will be given the option to go ahead and name the device. For our purposes today, we will name it Wyze Plug. And there we have it, we're all set up. We can go ahead and now start controlling it with the app. As soon as we plug in our lamp to the smart plug, we can see the light immediately comes on. We can use the buttons on the side to control it manually without the need of the app or a voice assistant. Now this does work with your Google Home and Amazon ecosystem, and I will be doing a video shortly showing you how you can use it with Siri as well. Setting up the plugs to use with your voice is really simple. Simply add the skill and device to your Alexa or Google Home app. I did a full video demonstrating this in the Wyze bulb video, so if you need to, you can always refer to that. I will leave a link in the description down below. I've already gone ahead and added them both to the Google Home and Amazon app, so let's go ahead and give it a try. Hey Google, turn off Wyze Plug. Hey Google, turn on Wyze Plug. Alexa, turn off Wyze Plug. Alexa, turn on Wyze Plug. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. To sum it up, the general consensus seems to be very positive for these plugs, and for good reason. Wyze has delivered another great product at another great price point. You might especially like these if you're already using the Wyze ecosystem. These plugs can be used in conjunction with other products such as the cam or motion sensors, which can trigger the plugs as needed. Overall, if you're looking for a simple, easy to use, high quality smart plug, then these should certainly be something you consider. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I will be giving away this pair of plugs. To enter, simply subscribe if you haven't already and leave a comment down below. If you would like an additional entry to the giveaway, simply check out the link in the description down below. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time.